Hello and welcome to the Pharmacy Times News Network. I'm Mike Glakar and your host for our Pharmacy Week in Review. The U.S. Supreme Court has rejected a case brought by Washington State pharmacists citing religion when refusing to fill prescriptions for emergency contraception. The court's refusal to consider the appeal leaves in place regulations specifying that the state's pharmacies must dispense all FDA-approved drugs to patients regardless of religious or moral objections. The decision to not hear the case has been lauded by many stakeholders as a victory for patients who deserve access to the medications they need without the interference of a pharmacist's personal convictions. In product news, patients with lower back pain now have a new option to relieve their discomfort. The Aleve Direct Therapy TENS device is marketed as an over-the-counter, non-pharmacological strategy for relieving lower back pain associated with sore and aching muscles. The device should be attached to the affected area of the lower back, and it employs transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation technology that's adjustable for intensity and controlled wirelessly for patient convenience. The product doesn't require a prescription, and it has the potential to safely aid the 60 to 80% of U.S. adults who experience lower back pain at some point in their lives. Fun in the sun could take a turn for the worse if patients aren't careful about their medications. Although most drug labels include storage temperature recommendations, many patients are unaware of the potential damage that extreme heat can inflict on their medicines. If any medications that have been exposed to the high temperature appear physically changed in any way, patients should consult a pharmacist to determine whether a new prescription is needed. Visit pharmacytimes.com for some other tips to share with your patients this summer. Pharmacists may receive more questions about the migraine treatment Excedrin now that GlaxoSmithKline has rolled out an ad campaign promoting migraine awareness. GSK recreated what migraines feel like by using a virtual reality simulator and working with migraine sufferers. The experience simulates the difficult visual symptoms that often signal the beginning of migraines, such as disorientation, auras, and sensitivity to light. For the first time in 20 years, the FDA has made changes to requirements for nutrition facts labels that will largely take effect 2 years from now. Although the new label will still be recognizable to patients, it will be easier for consumers to interpret. Some major changes include bigger font size for calories, bolder serving size, and highlighted servings per container. Head over to pharmacytimes.com to prepare to answer your patients' questions about the new label. For more great coverage and practical information for today's pharmacist, visit our website and sign up for our daily e-news. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thanks for watching our Pharmacy Week in Review. I'm Mike Glakar at the Pharmacy Times News Network.